Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this circular cornrows headband braid. First, I begin with the partings. Before everything else, you need the middle parting. Like this. Then I create the circular shapes to the both sides. And they go a little bit different directions, as you can see. Then I take the another side and share that in two. Make sure that the parts are about same size. Then I start the topmost one. I take 3 strands and start to move them from side under to the middle, and doing this alternately from both sides. I also add hair from the both sides of the braid. So left under, add hair, right under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair. Keep on repeating in this way. Then I will create the frontmost braid to the left side. So again 3 strands, and then start to move them from side under to the middle. For this braid I add hair only from the backwards, except the very beginning when I add once hair also from the another side, so I can make sure that the strands grow in the beginning symmetrically. But right after that, when I move the right strand under, I don't add more hair, only from the left side. So left under, add hair, right under, left under, add hair, right under, left under, add hair. If you want to make sure that the braid will stay on its line, you can also add super small sections from the right side inside the braid. I did that on the highest point of the circular shape, but after all, these braids are pretty small, so it won't show very much at the ending result. Then I will do about same to the other side. So first share the parting in two. start the topmost one, take 3 small strands from the beginning and start to move them alternately from side, under to the middle. I also add hair from the both sides of the braid. So right under, left under, right under, left under. Add hair a little bit. And then continue braiding again. With this braid, I don't add hair every single time to make sure that the braid will stay tight, because there's so little strands at the beginning. It's hard to add enough little piece of hair at once, and when the strands are so tiny, that won't show out at the result. Once you get to that curvy part, I stop adding hair from the right side, so now I'm adding only from the left side, again from front to backwards. Continue in this way until the end. Then the last of the braids. Again, 3 small strands from the beginning. The shape of the right side is that kind of, it's almost impossible to see even those strands I'm beginning with, but there's 3 strands. With this braid, as the previous one, I start to move strands alternately from side under to the middle, but this time I add hair all the way, only from the left side of the braid. This will place the braid closer to the previous braid as what it would be if I would add hair from both sides of the braid. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!